What DEWALT has dropped on us now is their new headbuds. And these are a little bit different than the neck bands or the inner earbuds that I wear on a daily basis. We're going to tell you all about it right after this message from our sponsor, BCG Construction. If you want to help out the channel, go on over, check out the hats, hoodies, t-shirts, socks, and more. What's up, everybody? My name is Jim, and DEWALT did it again. These are designed to kind of fit over the ear as opposed to in the ear, which helps you with job site awareness. It looks like, in this case, DEWALT has kind of solved that issue by giving us an over-the-ear headbud style solution. These come with an 11-hour runtime on the actual earpieces themselves and 44 hours on a fully charged charging case, which is pretty cool. They are dust and water resistant, IP55 rated on the case, lightweight and secure all-day fit, convenient multi-function button for intuitive controls. Listen all work week long with extended 44-hour battery lifetime. And this is the model DXMA1902096. So let's crack this open and see what we got inside. So you got your two headbuds, charging case, USB-C charging here on the back. And the cord is USB-C to C. So they've changed that. In the past, it was A to C. Now you have C to C charging capabilities for this charging case. The one thing I will say about this charging case, while it seems to be very well built, seems like it's got a nice rubber overmold on here that would be able to stand a little bit of a drop if you had to. The one thing I would say that I liked about the previous generation of inner earbuds is that the case came with a nice little carabiner hook. So when I carry them out throughout the course of the day, I just clip it onto my bag and I have it with me all day. Now, how long does it take the buds to fully charge? Claiming 2 hours. How long does it take the case to fully charge? Again, 2 hours. So 2 hours of charge time, you get 11 hours per day with 4 charging cycles and an indicator throughout the course of the week so you know where you're at and you never go dead. Put them on, see how they feel. I guess this goes behind your ear and this goes right on the outside. So it fits nicely, and I don't have much of an earlobe here, so it's a little bit different for me, but it sits nicely behind your ear, nice and comfortable, this kind of silicone feeling piece, with the speaker being right at your ear, but not in your ear. So very comfortable. I don't see an issue with this bothering you throughout the course of the day. To connect these, you open the case and push that button right there, and it pops right up here on my phone. See how they sound? Because I love the sound of my inner ears. I'm just going to pick the first song that pops up here. Oh, wow. Nice and loud, clear, but I could still hear what's going on around me, obviously, because it's not stuck inside of my ear. So if you press and hold the multi-function button on the right side, and not just, if you depress it once and then let it go, it'll pause and then replay. If you hold it down, you'll hear an audible beep, and each beep will incrementally increase the volume of whatever you're listening to. Now, if I do the same thing on the left side, I can just press the button, lower the volume, which is a nice piece because I really like having the wheel and the ability to control my volume if my device is in my pocket or somewhere else and my hands are busy. So also with the multi-function button, if I press the button twice, it'll switch me to the next track in my playlist or podcast list, whatever it may be. Now, if I double click the left side, it will send me back a track. So twice on the right side, up a track, twice on the left side, back a track. So the right side volume up, left side volume down. Also, if you press 3 times, oh, I just got a phone call from someone. I clicked it once and I got the call. Can you hear me on the other line? That's pretty cool. So I hit the right side to accept the call. You know what? Give me a call right back. I want to see if I hit the left side, if it'll reject the call. Call me right back if you don't mind. Always get calls at the perfect times, it seems. So I tried the right side and it just clicked and it answered the call. Phone's ringing again. It tells me who's calling in my ear, who the person is, if they're in your address book. I clicked the left side and it accepted the call again. So hitting the button on either side will accept the call. And then if I hit the button one more time while I'm in the call, it will disconnect the call. Hands-free, awesome. Hit it either side once, accept the call, hit either side twice, reject the call. If I want to get to my voice assistant and I am not in a call, I could press either side 3 times and get to my voice assistant on my device. So a lot going on with the multifunction buttons that you could handle almost any task from your device, from your headbuds, while you're doing everything else. Hey, Ben. How are you? Sounds good. I appreciate it. I'll let them know. Thank you so much. So who are these headphones for? If you're trying to drown out all the noise around you and want to be kept in peace and quiet, these aren't necessarily for you, because the purpose of these is so that you can still be aware of your surroundings. Me, personally, with somebody with odd-shaped ears, this may be a better solution for me. Less irritation on the ears, plus I could constantly hear the questions that my guys may be asking me or other things that are going on around me while I'm on a job site. What do you guys like? Do you like the inner earbud style? Do you want to drown out the rest of your crew and the rest of your friends and family? Do you like the over-the-neck style where you could have a speaker or plug these in when you want to tune everybody out? Or do you want an over-the-ear solution that can keep you aware of the rest of your surroundings? Let us know down in the comment section below. Me, personally, love them. Haven't gone back to my older style. I've been wearing black and yellow earbuds, earpieces, headbuds every day since these things dropped. And the best part, again, you don't have to be a part of the DEWALT platform to enjoy the benefits. If you're in the market to upgrade from the earbud to the headbud, check it out in the YouTube shopping button below. You can check out pricing and further descriptions about what's going on here. Thanks all of you for tuning in. Catch you all in the next one.